A lot of times what I talk about is driven by a conversation that I've had with a client. In today's video, I want to talk about something that comes up a lot and pretty much with all of my clients. And it's this mindset and about where they are as a business owner, kind of in their business ownership journey. Are they a doer, right? To use Michael Gerber from the E-Myth, his book is the first business book I ever read. He uses the term technician for the person that's actually doing the work. And then there's manager, the person who's systematizing the business, delegating, holding people accountable, managing the doers or the technicians. And then there's the entrepreneur who's vision casting and maybe starting multiple businesses. I've got some clients who own multiple businesses. So where are you in this cycle? Where do you want to be? How do you want things to change in 2026? And what action can you take right now to start to make that a reality? One of the things that I talk with clients about all the time is delegating, or another way of looking at it is elevating your team members to do things that you're doing that they could be doing. And it starts to shift you from the technician or doer to manager so that you can get to entrepreneur if you want to. Some people are very content, and there's nothing wrong with being the doer, being the manager. If you want to ultimately sell your business, the more that you can get out of doing and managing, the better. Your business is more valuable. Your business is more self-sustaining if you're not the one doing. It's pretty obvious, right? So what can you do about it? What one action can you take today to start elevating people on your team? I always recommend starting with, and I know this sounds very tedious, and it is, but it pays big dividends, a time study. Write down for a week, 2 weeks, even better, everything that you do. And then at the end of that trial period where you're writing down everything that you're doing, go through it and figure out where you're spending the most time. Pick one task, delegate it to somebody else. And I've got some methods that I can share with you. If you'd like to book a call with me, I'd be happy to share some information with you. And you can leave the call feeling like you're better prepared to start going down this path of methodically checking off from your list of things that you're doing, checking them off and handing them off to other people, and doing it in a really good way that you can feel comfortable that it's going to get done very close, maybe not 100% of how you would do it. But I've also had the experience, and so have my clients, where somebody's actually better than the person that was doing it, right? So if I'm doing a task and I delegate it to you, I might find that you're better at it than me. So don't always think I've got to do it if it's going to be done right and if it's going to be done to my standard. Somebody else could potentially do it better than you. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.